Tulum?
Tulum, yeah, in Mexico.
Oh, cool.
So that is this week. Long story short is that I really wanted to start recording, just like for the vibes. I don't know, I just want to see like what it's like. Try to be a vlogger out here, besties. So I am going on a bachelorette trip for one of my close friends to Tulum this week. So this vlog is gonna be like I guess like a Tulum prep, even though like I'm a very, what's the word? I was gonna say simple, but like we're not really doing that much prepping. We're just gonna get a wax today. And then I'm doing my nails tomorrow. That's kind of, oh, I guess my hair would be a prep too, but I didn't really record that, did I? So to be honest, like I just have not really been feeling like great at all for the past like couple of weeks or even like a month or two, because there's just like a lot going on with like my digestive system and my stomach, and like the gist of it is that it took me a while to figure out like what was going on with me, because I just had like a lot of like IBS symptoms, which I feel like stomach issues is just like the worst, because not the worst, but like it's just like not good, because if my stomach doesn't feel well, like I'm just like, oh my god, like I just want to like lay down, like I want this to go away, like I don't feel like doing the stuff that I would regularly do, because all I can do is just concentrate on like the discomfort. And so even today, like I'm pushing myself to go to the gym. I don't really know like what I'll do, to be honest. I just want to get my body moving, because you know, like that's what it's used to. And yeah, like now I'm finally on medication, which is good. I tested positive for H. pylori, which is like some bacteria or whatever in my stomach, and I might have other issues as well, so I'm taking antibiotics for that and some other medication. But even the medication's a lot, bestie. Like I'm taking like 3 pills 4 times a day, and 1 pill like at the beginning before I even start like eating or anything like that. So that's like 13 pills a day. And I'm taking something else too, which is just like a whole other. So yeah, the long story short is that I really want to, there's a car coming. Long story short is that I really wanted to start recording, just like for the vibes. I don't know, I just want to see like what it's like, and yeah, we'll just go from there. So today's plan is to hit the gym, which I am gonna do right now. And I had to return something from Walmart, because girl, I'll be returning stuff like I don't even care. We're gonna do our wax today, which I might film, like obviously not the wax, but being there. And then what else do we have? I already dyed my hair, which is really cute, but I'm not gonna lie, the back is not my issue, because we're gonna concentrate on the front. And literally, what type of packer are you? Like how many days ahead are you packing? I really want to know, because am I crazy? Like I will make a list of everything. I literally made a list on my phone in my notes app. Like I made a list of everything. I went through my routine. I'm like, okay, I wake up, I wash my face. Well, no, if I'm wearing makeup, I have makeup remover, and if I'm not wearing makeup and it's like a day of being out and then coming back home, then I'll remove my dirt from my face. So that's for, and like the clothes, like based on outfit, I will try everything on and like put the fits together and take a picture so that I have it ready to go, and I'm not thinking like, oh, like what am I supposed to be wearing? Like no, I need to like have the itinerary to plan, like, oh, okay, like this day's do this, this day's this, this day's this, and then that way I can just like list out everything, and then like I'll have like the stuff that I need to buy like in the list. I don't know if this is crazy. I don't think that's I think that's just being prepared.
I'm pretty sure that people think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it.
So I am very excited. One thing that does have me nervous is, oh, I forgot to mention, so a part of my treatment or whatever for the stomach and like GI tract issues that I'm going through is having a low FODMAP diet. So that has been interesting, and that is giving me a lot of anxiety when it comes to this trip, like, because I don't know if you're familiar with it. If you're not, I will like put something up on the screen of like essentially the things that you can eat or things you can't eat, but it's just like a lot. And I'm trying my best, but it definitely brings me a lot of anxiety because I'm not at my house where I can control things, and I'm also in a group of other people, and I don't like being that person that is like making it like harder for the group. So like when it comes to food, it's like, okay, so now I have to make sure that I'm asking, oh, is this gluten-free? Is this gluten-free? Is this dairy-free? Is this like, you know, it's just, yeah. So that part I'm not like very excited about, but obviously like I have to self-advocate and make sure that I feel, you know, like okay, and that I feel good enough to be able to continue like with the events, because yeah, so I'm very anxious about that. So anyways, yeah, well, that is my life right now. I'm gonna head to the gym, we're gonna gym it up, and then I will be back. Okay, bye. Tulum, yeah, in Mexico.
Oh, cool.
So that is this week, and then my best friend's getting married.
What the?
Next month.
Another best friend?
Yes.
Another one?
This is like my best friend. He's getting married in DC.
Oh,
so,
wonderful.
And then, since we're talking about everybody getting married, my other best friend is getting married in freaking Thailand next year.
What the? Thailand, beautiful. The food, impeccable.
You been?
No, but the So, take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. It's very quick. Is the pressure helping a little?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
But, yeah. Hi, hello. I just wanted to update you guys. I got my nails done, and I never really get a first of all, this is like my signature color right here. This, I don't even know, like a baby pink vibe. I've been getting it for the last like couple months on repeat. And I got a pedicure as well, but I'm not gonna show you guys that for free, like, no. But yeah, I leave tomorrow and I'm like 80% packed. I need to like push myself to finish my little checklist, which I did most of what I had to do today, like turn on my international plan, and some other things, but I do, oh, it's like bothering me, but I do need to finish checking in, which is usually super easy, like through the airline app, but then I forgot, like for international flights you have to scan like your passport and like all this stuff, and I'm just like, bro, like I really don't want to do this now, but I'm gonna do that. I decided that I'm going to try to bring my tripod. I have like this TikTok idea that I want to do with the group, so I was thinking like we're probably gonna need a tripod for that if it's gonna be the whole group. And then I don't know, maybe like we'll see, but I just don't want to start filming and then it's just like, oh, I should have brought my tripod. So we're trying to be a vlogger out here, trying to be a official vlogger. But anyways, I made myself some lemon ginger tea. I'm gonna drink that and then hype myself up to finish packing, and check into the flight and just go over my checklist to make sure that I have everything. Oh my god, I just realized I forgot my bag downstairs. Okay. All right, well, that's it. I'm gonna enjoy my tea, grab my bag, and then yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tulum haul, headed to Tulum for one of my close friends' bachelor party.